Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to fix my Cash App won't let me load the money. So guys, in order for you to fix this problem, is go to your Google Play Store, and from here open the application and make sure you have the latest version of the app. But if it still doesn't work, you can just go ahead and go to settings, guys, and on the settings just go to the apps, just scroll down and go for apps, and then from here guys, go for cash application. So we have here the cash app, just click on it, and from here click on storage. And from here guys, what you will do is clear the cache and also clear data, and then click OK, and you should be able to fix your problem. So guys, the third method is try reinstalling the application. So just click on install and then click OK. And then once you uninstall it, try installing it again on your Google Play Store. And guys, the fourth method is just simply open your Cash App application and go to your profile icon. And then from there, just scroll down and go to support. And once you are on the support, just simply click start a chat. And then right after that, just explain that your Cash App won't load you money. And from there, the Cash App support will help you out in solving this issue. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. And thanks for watching. See ya.